keto brownies in a box. About $14 worth. Is it worth it? I don't know, but you'll find out. I got these guys at the advice of Dr. Berg, whom I really do trust in the keto world. And anyways, look at these carbs. 17 grams of carbs, but 15 grams of fiber. Like, wow, I was wondering, is this gonna be a problem? You know what I mean. Sweetened with stevia and monk fruit, so that's good. I'm really digging the ingredients. Okay, so the good news is this is super easy. Pour it in the bowl, melt some butter. You're gonna melt half a cup of butter. I use Kerrygold, grass-fed, and you just pour it in the bowl and mix it up with 3 eggs. You don't have to buy fancy eggs like this, but whatever the case, pour them in there. Mix it up really well, and then pour it into a pan. I like to line my pans with parchment paper because it makes it so much easier to clean up. Really does. And I like to cut mine around the edges so that I don't risk fire. Then I did add some nuts. I didn't add as many as was suggested because I had some kiddos in the house and I really didn't know if they were gonna like the nuts or not. So spoiler alert, the more nuts the better, okay? It's definitely good with the nuts. So I baked it at 350 degrees. The directions said 35 to 38 minutes. And I can't wait to take them out of the oven. I haven't had brownies in a long time because I've been on keto and very low carb, so this is gonna be a treat. I baked it for about 36 minutes. You definitely wanna watch it if you like gooey in the middle. You don't wanna let it bake too long, but it smelled good, it looked good. It was hard for me to contain myself to not start eating it. Okay, so they're out of the oven. My dog's trying to kill me. Okay, so they're out of the oven. I've already sampled them. They're very, very good. But do the kids like them? Yes, the kids actually really like them. And they like them so much that I was trying to tell them that they shouldn't have too many. I was like, hey, stay away from those $14 brownies. You can have your own brownies. But so they look like this. They look very moist, actually, very moist, and they are moist. I am eating the part that I did not add nuts to. It's so like gooey, very rich. But I can tell you how to bring it up a notch. Let me show you that. Add a little bit of Lily's chocolate chips. Oh, Lily's chocolate chips, they are perfect for keto. Put those in my bowl. Add a little sugar-free whipped cream. Now, Dr. Berg probably wouldn't approve of this, but he's not here. So anyways, put that on there. Ooh, ooh. Now, let's just go ahead and be a little extra. This says love sprinkles, but it's cinnamon. Put a little cinnamon on there. I'm telling you what. I definitely recommend getting the whipped cream. I also recommend you getting the pecans. The pecans really add a little something to it. But if you like nuts, add nuts. Anyways, this is really good. Is it worth $14? That's up to you. But if you don't want to spend the time making your own keto brownies, then I'd say, heck yeah. But be careful because they are so good. You might want to eat more than a serving. This says 16 servings in this box. That's not gonna happen. I don't know who these people are that are eating that, but is it amazing? Yes, it's very amazing. I want you to try this. My dog is saying hello. I'm saying goodbye. Thank you so much for cooking with me. Please come back. I will post another video within a week. Okay, be blessed. Bye. If you want more videos, you gotta subscribe. And if you wanna subscribe, you better hit that notification bell.